Hello everyone, I welcome you back to 21 Days English Challenge. And guys, let me remind to you in case if you are facing any challenge in English, if there is something to stop you to learn English, guys, it's all right. It's all right. It's just that you got to give yourself reminders repeatedly so you do not stop learning. Okay, we do have different situations at our ends. We do have family issues, we do have work related issues, we do have personal health issues, guys. It could be anything that may cause you not to learn your English language, guys. But remember, let me remind you guys that this situation what you have today may not wouldn't be tomorrow. Okay, the situation would change tomorrow. So think of the benefits that you will bear tomorrow, in future, in upcoming future, if you put efforts now towards your English language journey. So it's the reminder which is going to help you to move ahead in English language, guys. Do not let anything stop you. Do not let the full stop come your way. Give yourself reminders. We all use smartphones in today's time, and you can always put reminders to make you remember that you have to start your English language journey, and you cannot stop. You can't afford stopping it. If you really wanna rock in future, if you really wanna do great things in life, guys, it's the English that will open great opportunities for you in the upcoming future. It can be after a year, it can be after 2 years, it could be after 10 years, guys. So do not let the journey stop. Okay, so remind yourself that you have to reach somewhere in life. You have to just put in efforts. Let me tell you guys, the universe, the universe is looking at us. The universe always observes us. So whatever we do today, we are definitely going to bear the fruits of the hard work that we'll do today. So remember and recall that you have to put in efforts today. And in case at times if you feel that learning is not happening, guys, it's fine. Things do take time to show result. Just keep doing, keep learning, keep putting your efforts. That is all is needed. Okay, the consistency would pay you. Okay, so it's 21 days challenge, and so far I hope you have learned a lot. In case if you have any question in your mind, guys, in case if you have any doubt in regards to English language, please put it in the comment box and I would definitely reply you, guys. And in case if you are looking out for 365 days videos, okay, for self practice, you can go in bio section and look at my another channel, and you can do self practice. You can watch self practice videos and do the practice at your end. Other than this, in case if you are looking out for a free class demo session, I can give you the demo class, guys. You can fill the form given in the bio section and do attend my demo class. In case if you like it, you can join my class. Otherwise it is up to you. So I thank you all for watching my videos, and keep progressing, guys. Keep learning. The learning should never stop. Thank you so much, and thanks for watching my videos.